What is up, YouTube? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about how you can tag your location in your YouTube videos, what the advantages are, the possible cons, and other implications that could possibly come with this. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to show you basically a video and show you how to do it and where it can't work. So it's actually interesting. So I'm in the original YouTube Classic studio that you currently see here, and if I go to advanced settings, this is my TubeBuddy tutorial video that I made, and if I go to the advanced settings, you know, your usual stuff, you won't see anywhere here that it says locations, and it's extremely interesting because it's just odd that it's not here. But I'm going to go to the beta YouTube Creator Studio, and over here you can clearly see there's location. Voila! And you can put United States, USA, you can put New York, you can put India if you wanted to, or a specific location. Can you put India? Yeah, you can put India. Yeah, you can essentially put almost any location you want and essentially just go from there. Now, it's interesting that it's not in the Classic, but it's in the beta for YouTube Studio. No idea why. I have no idea why they would do something like this, but hey, that's how they made it, so I can't really speak much on that sense. You can't do this on the Creator Studio app either on your mobile device. Maybe on Android. I have an iOS device, I have an Apple device, so you can't really do it on that. You can, however, do it on the YouTube app itself, so it does work there. It just won't work on the Creator Studio app for some odd reason. Don't know why. Now, the pros and cons. The pros would be, let's say you wanted your viewers in that specific location. Let's say you're a business. You are specifically targeting people in the Brooklyn, New York area. Hey, that makes perfect sense. You want to use your location, or you are specifically targeting only Americans, or Canadians, or New Yorkers, or Brooklyn. Like, this is more of a business marketing trick and tip that you want to use, because once you're in the search engine, so let's see if I can try to go to show you. Let's say I was searching best burgers, and this is just to show you. You can literally sort it by, or filter it by location. And I am blind and I can't find location. There's usually a spot right there. Boom. I'm assuming it knows where I am, hence why nothing came up, or I just did it wrong. Maybe I gotta do this. I don't know how it works, but maybe they don't do location because not a lot of people technically use. Oh, right here, so it works. I probably just wrote it wrong. So yeah, it's for people to do something specifically like that. Like, you can tag the location, and now you have the location available, and then you essentially do it from there. It's a powerful tool depending on how you use it. Now, the downside is kind of like a downside. You are kind of restricting yourself to that specific location per se. You might be heavily showed there, but let's say you're like a general YouTuber myself. I don't necessarily target anyone other than someone who speaks English. I personally don't have any preference if you're in India, Pakistan, Australia, China, or America, because to me it's more of I'm helping you how to do stuff, YouTube tutorials, money making guides. Yeah, certain things might not be available in your country. That's more of just how the certain item I'm describing works, but the advice is generally everyone and not restricted to a certain person or piece. Now, like it says New York street food, obviously that's for New York street food. It could be people outside of New York who want to see this, because why not? Maybe they're tourists, they're coming by. So it's a little tricky on how you want to utilize this feature, but it's a powerful tool. I would highly recommend playing around with it and seeing how it plays with you, and essentially going from there. The other con that I personally seen this one, I verified it. I don't know if they'll fix it, but if you use hashtags, your hashtags won't work then, because the location field takes it away. So only the location pops up. So if you had New York on the title, it'll only show it like that, but it wouldn't show everything else. So just to show you as an example, I'm not gonna play the video. See, my hashtags are here, but when the location field pops up, you'll only see the location over here, which kind of sucks, but that's how it works. So yeah, that's a con to me personally. I like my hashtags showing up more because it helps my SEO way more than a location would. So I've tested it out. Again, if I was doing something different, maybe so, but I prefer not to use the location tag as much. I would highly advise you guys to test it out, play it out. Every channel is different, every YouTuber is different. Give it a test. I always say experiment, especially if you're a small YouTuber. Experiment, see what works, what doesn't work, and go from there. So yes, this was my guide, guys. Overall, I hope you found this helpful and informative. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.